Hey there, affiliate marketers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of email marketing and how it can help boost your affiliate earnings. Whether you're new to the game or looking to take your earnings to the next level, this beginner's guide is for you. So, let's get started. Email marketing is a powerful tool that allows you to connect with your audience on a personal level and promote your affiliate products in a more direct way. By building an email list of interested subscribers, you can effectively nurture relationships and drive sales. The first step in email marketing is to build a strong email list. You can do this by creating lead magnets such as free guides, webinars, or discounts to entice visitors to subscribe to your list. Make sure to place opt-in forms strategically on your website and social media channels to capture leads. Once you have your email list, it's essential to segment your subscribers based on their interests and behaviors. This allows you to send targeted emails that are more likely to convert. You can segment your list by demographics, past purchase history, or engagement levels. When it comes to email marketing, it's crucial to provide value to your subscribers. Share helpful tips, industry news, and exclusive offers to keep them engaged and interested in your content. Avoid sending too many promotional emails, as this can lead to unsubscribes. To drive affiliate sales through email marketing, you need to include compelling calls to action in your emails. Encourage subscribers to click through to your affiliate links by highlighting the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. Make sure your call to actions are clear, persuasive, and easy to follow. Finally, don't forget to test and optimize your email campaigns. Pay attention to open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to see what's working and what's not. Experiment with different subject lines, email designs, and content to find the winning formula for your audience. And there you have it, affiliate marketers. Email marketing can be a game changer for boosting your affiliate earnings. By building a strong email list, segmenting your subscribers, providing value, using compelling call to actions, and testing your campaigns, you can take your affiliate marketing game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and happy email marketing!